What's up you all, welcome back to the channel. We have earned 35% return on Polygon token since my last video. We covered Polygon at $1.70. Right now we are at $2.23 and I precisely talked about Polygon going high based on some of the updates. In this video I'll be covering two big updates on Polygon that can bring Polygon onto the higher levels in short to mid term, and in long term you can learn what Polygon Matic can offer. One of the update in this video will be the EIP-1559 latest implementation that went for Polygon Matic live, and the second update, which is even important than this, is how it impacts Polygon Matic token and actual burn. How many tokens will be burned that we are expecting in terms of Matic, and what kind of impact it will be. It will be a deflationary effect on the Matic token. So stay tuned, watch the full video. If you really want to buy Polygon and want to find out a great price, you might want to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on some of the very impactful updates that I have been sharing on Polygon Matic and many other cryptocurrencies. Hit that like button, it is a tremendous help for this channel and for this video so we can share this information with more and more people. It's free, it does not cost you anything, but it tremendously helps out to me and to this channel. So consider clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel. Let's get into it. What we talked about Polygon before 3 or 4 days when it was 170, I precisely called out that this will be a tremendous buying opportunity. We went to 2.35 minus 1.70. If you take a look, it's 65 cents on $1.70. It's massive return on the investment of 38%, as you see on my screen. So once again, I'm calling out that this particular impact that I'm going to talk about, EIP-1559, will bring in much more value for Matic token. Yes, this is finally, the wait is over, and it's much awaited EIP-1559 upgrade for Mumbai Testnet is already here and it's implemented. Take a look right here. The version is ready for the Testnet Mumbai, which includes the London hardware for fork and EIP-1559. Upgrade your nodes before block. This particular ID hits approximately on 14 December. So this has already happened. But the important question that you should ask yourself is how it is going to burn the Matic token and what percentage of that will be burned. As I mentioned before, what I like to see about Polygon is its max supply, which is 10 billion. If you think about other tokens like Dogecoin, it has 33 billion circulation in supply. The circulating supply for Matic is 1.08 billion, and it is going to be deflationary token, which will be really good in general for any other cryptocurrency. As you already know, the way it works for any crypto token or currency, it's supply versus demand. If the demand is more but the supply is deflationary or limited, it will bring the token into the positive direction into the short, mid and long term, which is precisely going to happen with Polygon in my honest opinion. Take a look what this means. Since Matic token ERC20 token Ethereum L1 and the logic for burning the base fee. So basically what they are doing with this particular update is they are burning the base fee Matic token for every block that is going to be executed. Now what that means is the burning base fee had to be implemented in a way that the tokens are actually burned on the root chain and not just into the Polygon PoS chain, which is an L2. There is a high-level infrastructure and high-level technical details explained in this flowchart, but I wouldn't be going over that. Rather, I want to explain in a very easy term what it means in terms of the burn rate for Matic token. Now let's get into it. Polygon Matic has a fixed supply of 10 billion, as I already mentioned. We looked into it right here. It's the max supply 10 10 billion. Right now, the circulating supply is 7.08 billion. And if you go back now in reduction, any reduction in number of available tokens will have deflationary impact, as you already know, which is bringing Bitcoin higher and higher because they are not inflationary in nature. The Polygon team added before, there is nothing that has the analysis of this impact. So in other words, we can't really measure what the precise impact would be in terms of deflationary token. But one thing that you want to note is deflationary token itself is a positive thing for any crypto. But as an impact, as the team mentioned, the upgrade could see an annualized return of 0.27. So 0.27% of the total supply will be burned due to this protocol, as it is saying here. Now, what you should consider as Polygon or Matic token holder, crypto holder, that the layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum that has been making waves in recent time, that they announced that they will be looking into EIP-1559 proposal on its network following this discussion. This is a similar proposal, similar to Ethereum proposal. As you know, the proposal was initially implemented in Ethereum in August, and so, although it was suggested that the chance of improving the visibility of fees for the user and their network, we caught the eye with the traders, because once again, it's going to burn Matic tokens, which is deflationary. And what is the deflationary effect of this Matic token is right down here. For the developers and the users, the chain would mean that the gas fee would become more predictable, which will help them to design their system in a more reliable manner. So any projects that are fueled by Matic will be much more predictable. In the long run, the team estimates 0.27% of the tokens would be burned as an annual basis, which will have a deflationary effect on the price of Matic token. This could help push the price token in the long run, and this could encourage the long-term investor to look into buying token now and make use of the deflationary effect due to the course of time. We have seen many tokens who are deflationary, their price eventually goes up in the mid and long term. But Polygon has a short-term catalyst coming up as well on the top of this particular algorithm implementation that they just did. Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain, Polygon is a protocol, and it's a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain for the network, which is a scalable solution on Ethereum supporting multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. They're also working with Ernst & Young with Polygon. They're co-developing the Ethereum scaling solution for the enterprises and the launch for Polygon's Nightfall, a privacy rollup focused privacy protocol that we already know, which is going to create one more wave of a lot of eyeballs looking into what Polygon Matic is up to. They have already bought Mir protocol for $400 million, and this ZK testnet protocol, or ZK rollout, is going to once again move this Ethereum network based initiative into the next phase, which is once again very, very exciting. Not only that, they have launched Nightfall on testnet launch recently. They have sandbox staking, which is coming for 0x Polygon as well. Not only that, the Matic staking will allow people and investors to earn money for the tokens just sitting into their account. They have one-stop shop, which was already launched, which is a Polygon token swap. So you can just exchange within your Polygon wallet from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency very easily, just with a couple of clicks. Take a look. The way the swap works is you select one cryptocurrency and the other one that you want to convert into, and it will give you some sort of estimate. Once you get the estimate, you click on the review swap. Once the swap is reviewed, you can just hit that confirm button, and you already have transferred your cryptocurrency into the another token that you were looking for. If you take a look at Polygon in general, their supply at the moment, as I mentioned, is 7.03 billion. With that, their trading volume is down by 35%, but it is not just Polygon. If you take a look right now, the way Bitcoin is, it's up 0.74%, and Ether is down 0.7%. 0.59%. And if you take a look at Polygon is up 1.23% just in last 24 hours and almost 6% in last 7 days. We already saw from its bottom down 170. We did see that the price went to 235, which is super massive, to earn 30 to 32% return just in matter of few days. I hope you like this update. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll make sure I keep providing value for your subscription and the way you're watching. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.